Hello dear distributors, we are happy to announce to you that the payout is live and you can withdraw directly to your bank accounts now. Once you are logged into your back office, you click on the menu icon, go to finance, tap on fund transfer, then you have your T wallet to bank. Note that there is a daily limit on your account pending the time your account is verified, and the process for verification of accounts will be announced shortly. You need to verify your account name by clicking the box here. Then you enter the amount you want to withdraw. If the amount you are withdrawing is less than 500 naira, the text box will not be available for you to withdraw. But if you are withdrawing more than the minimum withdrawable amount, which is 500 naira, the withdrawal button will be available for you to withdraw. Then you can't withdraw more than your daily limit. For you to withdraw more than your daily limit, your account needs to be verified. So when you try to withdraw 1000 naira, the withdrawal button will be available for you to withdraw. The other withdrawal options are still very much available, like your T-wallet to T-wallet transfer. Then the funding of your back office through the Providus Bank is still also available. And subsequently, we will be rolling out other features that will make you withdraw your money seamlessly and fund your account with ease.